New Mexico exam prep, page 20. 10. Deficit accounts are not permitted. 11. Reconciliation. Both trust and individual property accounts shall be reconciled monthly. C. Reports to owners. 1. Shall provide the owner with the report of receipts and disbursements monthly, or per the management agreement, showing previous balance, funds deposited by category, and funds dispersed by category. 2. Other additional reports will be provided per agreement between the owner and the property manager. 3. Upon written notice of termination of any property management agreement, a final accounting of all the trust accounts shall be delivered or mailed to the owner within 60 days of the effective termination date. D. Management agreements. 1. There shall be a signed written management agreement with each owner that shall set forth the understanding of the owner and property manager's duties and responsibilities of each. This agreement shall be executed prior to acting on behalf of the owner. It shall specify whether the property or properties are to be operated in the name of the owner or in the name of the brokerage. With regard to signing of leases, sending of notices, and establishment of vendor accounts. E. Tenancy agreements. 1. There shall be a signed written tenancy agreement for each rental unit rented or leased. 2. A copy of the agreement signed by the owner or the brokerage and the tenant shall be maintained in a file for each owner's property. 3. Tenancy agreements shall include at the minimum name of a tenant, rental unit, address, rental rate and due date, date possession began, date and amount of payments and due date, and what the payment is for. F. Retention of property management records. 1. Records shall be maintained for each rental property during the period covered by the management agreement. 2. Upon termination, records shall be retained for a period not less than 6 years. G. Short-term rentals. 1. Staff of the brokerage handling short-term rentals who engage only in taking reservations for short-term rentals shall not be required to be licensed, but shall follow the same provisions as an unlicensed assistant. 2. Brokerages managing short-term rentals may enter into a written agreement with an owner as to the manner in which payments made by credit card are to be deposited and dispersed. This may include holding credit card slips given as security and/or damage deposit for return to the tenant at the end of the short-term rental.